The Galaxy S23 Ultra is creating quite the buzz. According to rumors, it's going to be the best phone ever and will come with all sorts of amazing specs. It's hard enough to wait a few months for the latest models of Samsung, let alone a whole year. But we can all rest assured knowing that this phone is going to be worth the wait. Rumor has it that the specs are out of this world, except you may have to wait a bit before you can get your hands on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but when it arrives in February 2023, you'll be glad you did. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is sure to be the envy of everyone around you. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is set to be announced in early February, and it's sure to bring some amazing new features to the table. Rumors are swirling that the phone will have a brand new design, upgraded processors, and a revamped camera system. It's also expected to come in a variety of new colors. But that's not all. If there's one upgrade that people are most excited about, then it has to be none other than the 200-megapixel main camera sensor. It looks like this rumor wasn't just shot down. It was run over by a truck. Samsung's recent unveiling of the ISOCELL HP3 200-megapixel camera sensor has only added fuel to the rumor mill. But don't get your hopes up just yet. Chances are Samsung may use a custom ISOCELL sensor with 0.60 micron pixels instead. Either way, we can expect the Galaxy S23 Ultra to be a serious upgrade compared to its predecessor. At first glance, the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra may not look like much of an upgrade. It's certainly no revolution, but looks can be deceiving. Samsung has been hard at work making sure that this powerhouse smartphone packs as much punch as possible while still keeping its signature sleek design intact. One such improvement is the different curvature radius of the side frame, which has been increased to give you more space on the inside of the phone without changing its slim profile. Now talking about the display of Galaxy S23 Ultra, if you're looking for something jaw-dropping, the Samsung S23 Ultra with its quad curved display is sure to turn heads. The super sharp OLED screen and its impressive 21:9 aspect ratio make it perfect for watching videos and playing games. Plus, the curved edges give off a futuristic vibe that no other phone can replicate. Sure, it might not be the most practical decision if you plan on doodling with your S Pen stylus, but hey, why not make a bold statement? With this device, you're sure to stand out from the crowd. Besides, rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery life have been circulating for some time now, and it looks like Samsung is looking to make sure their latest flagship smartphone can go the distance. After all, nobody wants their phone dying on them during an important call or when they're out and about. So, rest assured that with a 5,000 mAh battery pack on board, Samsung is making sure that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have more than enough juice to keep you going. In fact, its battery life might even be longer than the S22 Ultras. So now you can go ahead and get your hands on this amazing new addition to Samsung's flagship line without worrying about battery life. Longer battery, the same reliable performance, that's the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra for you. Now, you must be wondering whether it's a good choice to wait for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Well, we even have an answer for that. If you're in the market for a new phone, what better way to make sure you're getting the best of the best than to wait for the Galaxy S23? Sure, there's always something newer and shinier around the corner, but why settle for second best when you can get your hands on a future classic like the Galaxy S23? With a rumored 200-megapixel camera, the fastest processor, and 5G modem hardware, plus faster memory than ever before, this phone is set to be a powerhouse. Don't settle for anything but the best and wait for the Galaxy S23. However, if you don't think that adding camera resolution helps picture quality all that much, or if you think your current phone's 5G is fast enough, there's no need to wait to buy a Galaxy S23 model. The S23 models will keep the same 10GB 5G download speeds from their predecessors. And let's face it, no carrier can supply that kind of speed right now anyway. So, are you ready to make the upgrade to the Samsung S22 Ultra? What better way to celebrate than by joining in on the conversation? Let us know what you think about the latest and greatest Samsung device in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video so you don't miss out on any of our future content.